Hello, buyers, sellers, renters, friends, family. Thank you for watching my YouTube channel. If you haven't done so already, please like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon and you won't miss an episode each week. So with that being said, we're in the middle of January. The market is hot, 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 especially if you're a seller. Buyer, it's a little bit tough to get into a place because you're going through multiple offers and stuff like that. But I want to share with you a thank you card. This is, this really melted my heart. I went to my office, I received this, and I was just ecstatic. So I'm just going to read a little portion of it. It says, "John, thank you for all of your hard work helping us find a place. We really appreciate the fact that you went above and beyond in spite of some complications. We're very happy to be in our new home, and you helped make it possible." This is why I do what I do. This is what I love to do. I love helping people. With that being said, people always ask me a question. They're like, "John, if you were going to spend some money investing in your home, would you put it in the kitchen or the master bath?" And that's today's topic. That's a good question. I will tell you this, and I will always say this. The kitchen is where everybody gathers. It's seen by everybody. The master bath is a great spot for the owner, and it will probably make an owner really like the home, but it's tucked away. It's not seen by everybody. The owner's suite, it's great. But I want to give you some numbers on what a kitchen remodel costs and what you can receive in value with that. So it's your cost versus value report by Zonda Media, and they come out with this report every year, and they tell you, if you invested in X, how much return on investment you're going to receive. So I want to talk about a minor kitchen remodel, how much it's going to cost. On average, in the Chicagoland area, you're looking at about $31,000 investment for a minor kitchen remodel. Your return on investment is about $21,500. So you're going to add $21,500 of value to the home, and it will help sell the home very, very quickly because people love new kitchens. It is the place. It's the central hub of the home. So if you did a major upscale kitchen renovation, you're looking at an $81,000 remodel cost, and you're looking at a $47,000 return on investment, which is about 57% of the value. It's going to raise the value of the home. On a bath remodel, you're looking at about a $27,000 remodel. That's going to bring up the value of the home by $16,000, which just gives you about a return on investment at 58%. So do the kitchen first. Always do the kitchen first. That's where you get your best value. If you like videos like this, look at my staging video that's up on the screen. If you need help and you're thinking about stuff, reach out to me. There's my phone number. Love to help. Thank you. Thanks for watching. Bye.